Are you in search of auto repair for your foreign or domestic vehicle? If so, you've come to the right place. We're proud to be the top local auto repair service, and we pride ourselves on being professional, reliable, and affordable. Our mechanics have years of experience working on all types of vehicles. Whether your car needs brakes or rotors, transmission or engine work, diagnostic reports, or just routine maintenance, we can do it all. Contact us now to schedule your auto repair service. We look forward to working with you.